In today's show, the total crypto market cap hits a new all-time high of $1.13 trillion. That's right. Also breaking news, Ethereum hits a new all-time high as well, almost touching $1,700 as DeFi gas fees go through the roof. We're going to be discussing this here in today's show. Also, yesterday was a big corporate event for CEOs that Michael Saylor hosted in Miami, and Max Keiser just tweeted, MicroStrategy launched a speculative attack on the Fed. As Bitcoin rises, the Fed will get defunded. It's 1993 Soros's attack on the Bank of England times 100. We'll be discussing this here in today's show. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin will likely reach $60,000 in 2021, says investing.com analyst. That's right. According to Jesse Cohen, a senior financial analyst at investing.com, he predicted that Bitcoin will likely reach $60,000 in the first half of 2021. He's quoted sharing right here, after a record-breaking year in 2020 that saw it jump more than 300%, Bitcoin looks to stay strong in 2021 as more retail and big-name institutional buyers enter the market. For those already in, the strategy in place remains to HODL. I'll be breaking down all the highlights for you right here in today's show. Also breaking, Dogecoin soars yet again after Elon Musk returns to Twitter with another classic tweet, as you can see right here, holding up Dogecoin as if it's Simba from The Lion King. And as Carl the Moon points out, Elon, it's time for you to put Bitcoin on the Tesla balance sheet. That's what I'm saying. Now, this is what it should really look like, this meme, with Bitcoin holding Elon Musk. And as Dan Held points out, Elon has gone full Doge. He ain't telling no lies. Also in today's show, we'll be taking a look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most of the major altcoins are back in the green. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right. And turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And today's episode is brought to you by our sponsor, BlockFi, the leading provider of financial services for crypto investors. And this is where you can get your sats working for you. That's right. Put your crypto to work and earn up to an 8.6% APY with the BlockFi interest account. And for a limited time, you can earn up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more in crypto. To take advantage of this, use my referral link right down below this video in the description, and it's going to take you here. And once you click on sign up, it's going to redirect you here. Simply enter your first name, your last name, your email, and set a password. The referral code, as you'll see, is already going to be filled out. Also like to point out that not only are there no hidden fees, but they're also backed by the biggest names in the industry, including Winklevoss Capital, Morgan Creek Digital, as well as Coinbase. Now let's check out some of the annual percentage yields on Bitcoin. They're paying 6%. That's pretty sweet. Get your sats working for you. On Ethereum, they're paying out 5.25%. And then on the stable coins, USDC 8.6%, and then USDT 9.3%. Not too shabby, right? Also like to point out that there are no hidden fees, and you can start earning compounding interest as soon as today by signing up and getting started. So go ahead and click that link right down below the video. Get started, claim your free bonus, and let's start stacking those sats. Shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to discuss, so let's dive right in, shall we? The combined value of all total cryptos broke a new record, close to $1.139 trillion just this morning, while long-term analysts often eye Bitcoin's solo chances of eating into gold's total market cap. The combined value of all crypto together is currently more competitive, with a total market cap of silver at just under $1.5 trillion, having broken the $1 trillion milestone early in January of 2021. Today's crypto market is seeing greater distribution of growth between the top two crypto assets in the game, Bitcoin and Ethereum. On January 7th, the date of the market's 1 trillion breakthrough, Bitcoin dominance clocked in at 69% versus Ethereum's 13.5%. But by contrast, the most recently updated data from CoinMarketCap this week has Bitcoin dominance at just 62.2% versus Ether's share at 15.6%. As you can see right here on your screen, this shows you the total market cap. Also, Ethereum just hit a new all-time high, almost touching $1,700 yesterday as DeFi gas fees go through the roof. That's right, Ethereum's gas fees are again spiking to record highs, rendering many decentralized finance protocols unusable for casual investors. After increasing roughly 20% in the last 24 hours, average Ethereum transaction fees are now sitting at a record $17.67. That's right. The other day I went to send a few bucks in Ethereum and the fees were like $50 to send just a few dollars. It is absolutely outrageous. I was hoping that Ether 2.0 fixed all that, but it hasn't yet done so. But with many DeFi projects requiring the execution of complex smart contracts, there are reports that fees associated with using protocols required complicated transactions now exceed $1,000 just in fees. That's right. And amid the chaos, Twitter user Olive Allen reported estimated gas fees of nearly $5,000 to accept a bid on Rarible, as he pointed out on crypto Twitter right here. This is pretty outrageous. Almost $5,000 is the price to accept a bid on Rarible.com. Now, it is because of ETH high gas fees or some type of bug. Thoughts? It's because the fees are just outrageous, and it is what it is. Wild, right? And as Cointelegraph checked earlier today, a single large transaction on Synthetics was estimated at above $1,100. However, the protocol is undergoing an upgrade, which could affect the price estimates. But even simple swaps using decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap and SushiSwap cost from $40 to $75, as Rand points out right here. He says, WTF. As you can see, he's just trying to send a few bucks and it's costing him $93 to do so on the Ethereum network. Pretty wild, right? And as you can see in this response from Cole, he wrote, tried a $75 swap on Sushi earlier. Gas fees were $74 on SushiSwap and $37 on Uniswap. Zero logical sense to even swap anything with fees like that. Now, responding to the high fees, we had Consensus Rough podcast host Checkmate warn DeFi users to consider this expense involved in executing smart contracts before investing. He shared the screenshot of a user that purports to show estimated gas fees exceeding the price of Ether. While this could have been faked, it is broadly in line with similar reports. Let's check it out right here. Think very hard about whether you will be able to unwind your DeFi positions when the time comes to sell and gas fees are exponential. Worth considering this risk, and it shows you a gas fee right here of $1,552, as Kusam wrote right here. Ether has finally done it. Gas fees are higher than the token price. Now, it's important to point out that Ethereum is not alone in suffering congestion, with Bitcoin's average fees currently exceeding $14 as well. So despite the skyrocketing costs associated with utilizing the Bitcoin and Ethereum networks, traders appear vehemently bullish, with Ether posting new all-time highs of roughly $1,700 this morning at about 2 a.m. Now, since breaking into its price highs on February 2nd, Ether has gained roughly 14%. Bitcoin is also rallying, testing 38,000 after gaining 6% in the last 24 hours. What's your Ethereum price prediction for the end of the year? Do you think the second largest crypto by market cap will surpass $10,000? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And before I break down the latest from Max Kaiser, as well as Bitcoin likely reaching 60,000 in 2021, according to investing.com analysts, first let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Ethereum still up 4.5% for the day, trading above $1,620. We have Bitcoin up 2.3%, trading at about $37,450. We have Polkadot up 5.5%, trading above $20. Chainlink back in the red, trading at about $24. We have Aave up over 30%, trading at $431, and UMA up over 100%, surging like a mofo as well. All right, now let's break down the latest. We just had a recent big event in Miami with MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor, and first I want to read this. We raised $650 million at less than 1% interest, 75 basis points. For all practical purposes, it becomes free money. We invested that into Bitcoin. As Bitcoin has appreciated, our treasury has appreciated. We think that gives us a really strong treasury reserve. Touche, quoting Michael Saylor right here. Now, how many of you were in that event in Miami or streamed it online? Let me know in the comments below. And Max Kaiser tweeted here, MicroStrategy launched a speculative attack on the Fed. As Bitcoin rises, the Fed will get defunded. It's 1993 Soros attack on the Bank of England times 100. Now, Max also says his short-term target is in play of a $65,000 Bitcoin price, and his year-end target is $220,000 for the king of all crypto. Let me know if you agree with his bullishness in the comments right down below. And before I break down our next story of the day, Bitcoin will likely reach $60,000 in 2021, says investing.com analyst. But let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting above $1.1 trillion with $170 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current Bitcoin dominance back on the decline at 61.8%. Now checking out the Bitcoin market cap, sitting pretty just under $700 billion. Now checking out the top gainers within the top 100. We have UMA up a whopping 159%, trading just above $40 and up almost 300% for the week. We have Dogecoin up 57% for the day, thanks to Elon Musk, trading at 5 cents and up 283% for the week. We have Swiss Borg up 40%, trading at 94 cents, and AVE up 35%, trading at about $430. Now checking out the top losers within the top 100, we have Hedge Trade down about 16%, trading at $1.39. Voyager token down 13%, trading at $2.34. Phantom down 10%, trading at 13 cents, and Terra down 6%, trading at $2. Now, out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins in particular are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now, checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated an 80 in extreme greed. Yesterday was a 78, last week a 55 in greed, and last month a 93 in extreme greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day, shall we? Bitcoin is likely to hit $60,000 in 2021 amid the growing mainstream adoption, according to an analyst at major financial publication investing.com. That's right, Jesse Cohen, a senior financial analyst at investing.com, predicted that Bitcoin will likely reach a $60,000 level in the first half of 2021. I just like to reiterate Max Keiser's short-term price prediction of $65,000. I also like to point out how accurate he has been. He called 28K, 35K, and 42K, which is the current all-time high. So it seems that Bitcoin is moving up in multiples of 7. So if that was to continue, that would put the Bitcoin price at roughly $59,000 here in the short term. Now, according to Cohen, Bitcoin's growth in 2021 will be fueled by support from institutional investors, combined with the flush of ultra-cheap money being pumped into the global financial system by global central banks like the United States Federal Reserve. Here's a quote: after a record-breaking year in 2020 that saw it jump more than 300%, Bitcoin looks to stay strong in 2021 as more retail and big-name institutional buyers enter the market. For those already in, the strategy in place remains to HODL. First-time novice investors have found their way into many risk-perceived assets, including Bitcoin. Cohen's remarks come in conjunction with a new crypto-related survey by investing.com, according to which 63% of respondents in the United Kingdom are planning to purchase some Bitcoin in 2021. More than 60% of 800 respondents also said that they believe that Bitcoin will surge above $60,000 in 2021. I couldn't agree more. I feel $60,000 will be achieved here in the short term, and we're likely to surpass $100,000 or even $200,000 by year's end, but I'd love to know your prediction in the comments right down below. Cohen's prediction is by no means the highest for Bitcoin this year. We have Pantera Capital CEO Dan Morehead confident that Bitcoin will hit $115,000 by August of 2021. And in early January, the Binance CEO Catherine Coley predicted that Bitcoin could hit $100,000 by the end of the year. And then, of course, we have Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model, who forecast that Bitcoin should be somewhere between $100,000 and $288,000 by December of 2021. So there you have it. Let me know which bullish price predictions you agree or disagree with. I'm sticking with Max Keiser's year-end prediction of $220,000 by the end of this year. And before I break down our next story of the day, Doge soars after Elon Musk returns to Twitter to shill Dogecoin. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. This goes for all 675 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also want to encourage you to subscribe to my daily email letter, which could be found at letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. This is a daily email that I send every single day to over 30,000 subscribers. Also have a blog which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. And for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link, you'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Meme-based crypto Dogecoin gained another 25% in minutes on February 4th, which is today, after a fresh endorsement from the world's richest man. Check out this chart right here on your screen. Dogecoin to the moon. Apparently, Doge is the new Elon pump. Data from Cointelegraph Markets and TradingView showed Doge rebound past 5 cents per token on Thursday, edging towards new all-time highs. Elon Musk, who is known for name-dropping Dogecoin as well as Bitcoin on Twitter, but just days ago said that he was taking a break for a while, but returned to post a picture of a rocket and the moon. As you can see right here on your screen, all you can see is a rocket and a moon. As simple as that. Doge, he added in a subsequent comment, with later tweet reading, "You're welcome," accompanied by a doctored image of the Dogecoin mascot as Simba in the Disney film The Lion King. As you can see right here on your screen, "You're welcome." Now, I love this response from the moon. He wrote, "Elon, it's time for you to put Bitcoin on Tesla's balance sheet. Touche." How many of you think that will likely happen this year? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Now let's check out some of these memes. This is brought to you by HODL. It shows Bitcoin holding up Elon Musk, and wait, it gets better yet. Maybe this one, you can see Satoshi holding up a young Elon Musk. Hey, just one more. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist. As you can see right here, we got Bitcoin kicking Elon and Doge off the cliff. Hey, it is what it is. All right, now check this out. Immediately after that tweet, Dogecoin leaped from 4 cents to local highs of 5.8 cents, while trade volumes also surged by over 100% compared to Wednesday. Now, the hashtag Thanks Elon also began to trend in the United States. Now, it's important to point out that since then, Elon has removed Bitcoin from his bio. As Dan Held points out, Elon has gone full Doge, and it shows you his tweets: no highs, no lows, only Doge. Dogecoin is the people's crypto. No need to be a Giga Chad to own. You're welcome. And as Dan Held shares right here, it is still going on. P.S. Just buy Bitcoin. Touche. Elon, will you just buy some Bitcoin already? Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. The total crypto market cap hits a new all-time high of $1.13 trillion. Also in today's show, I shared that Ethereum posts new all-time highs as well, almost touching $1,700 as DeFi gas fees go through the roof. As you can see right here, gas fees from $1,500 to $93 to $4,900. And as Max Kaiser points out, MicroStrategy launched a speculative attack on the Fed. As Bitcoin rises, the Fed will get defunded. It's 1993 Soros attack on the Bank of England times 100. That's right, referring to MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor. Also in today's show, I shared that Bitcoin will likely reach $60,000 in 2021, says investing.com analyst. That's right, Jesse Cohen, senior financial analyst at investing.com, predicted that Bitcoin will likely reach a $60,000 level in the first half of 2021. Also in today's show, I share that Dogecoin soars after Elon Musk returns to crypto Twitter with this tweet: "You are welcome." And as Dan Held points out, Elon has gone full Doge. He ain't telling no lies. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go from here? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in, journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick, before I go, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor over at BlockFi.com, the leading provider of financial products for crypto investors. This is where you put your crypto to work and get your sats working for you. Earn up to 8.6% APY with the BlockFi interest account and get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more in crypto. To take advantage of this, use my link right down below this video in the description, and then click on the sign up button. Once you do, it'll take you here. Simply enter your first name, your last name, your email, create a password, and it's automatically going to have my referral code filled out so you can take advantage of up to that $250 free crypto bonus. Now, what's pretty cool about this is check out these interest rates. When we talk about having your sats work for you, with Bitcoin, you could earn up to 6% APY. With Ethereum, 5.25%. Then we have some other stable coins all the way up to USDT paying out 9.3%. Now, what makes this so cool, besides the fact that it's easy to use and that there's no hidden fees, is that it's backed from the biggest names in the industry, including Winklevoss Capital, Morgan Creek Capital as well. well as Coinbase. So go ahead and put your crypto to work today and receive up to $250 as a crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more when you create a new account today. Use my link right down below this video in the description, and let's start stacking those sats, shall we?